YouTube. I am here to do a video. So, this is a cooking vlog. So, I'm going to talk a little louder. I finished up everything actually. So, now I am going to do the corn, and maybe I can do a little roller coaster and show you guys what I cook. Hopefully y'all can see over here. But while I do the rest, I am going to let you guys talk with me and cook. Let's go. Okay. Huh? Oh, the other light. What is light over here? Oh, like to show them, huh? Wait. I'm gonna do it. I don't want to kind of not get out the camera right now. Sorry about that, y'all. All the noise. I'm trying to get adjusted over here. It's so small over here. Okay. I'm gonna keep that open for you. Let me see.
Watch now, over the air, and at lx.com.
Yeah. And there should be light. So, I don't think it's blurry. You can see me even better, actually. So, now, let me do this corn, and do the mashed potatoes. While I talk to y'all. Ooh, my gravy kind of get really dark here. But I guess it's okay.
He works hard to make us a food we love, but today he's on a mission. It looks like he's pinching his into my recipe.
Try to roll them in here. So I'm going to show you guys. It'll look nice. I'll put that right there. Let me open my can of corn. So how y'all been doing out there in the YouTube street? And I will be eating, I think, I believe the news will be on when I go over there on the other side. So, go that way. See? Well, y'all saw me 2 times go out of the camera. It's okay. We gonna make this work. Put my seasoning. This is lemon pepper. That was garlic salt. This is the only seasons that I always use. This is basil leaves. And rosemary leaves. Get this butter one more time out of the camera. This is all a part of cooking vlog, you guys. All a part of cooking vlog. So, I can leave this out because I need it for the one more time I have to go out. I gotta get the milk. gonna be a kind of a cooking vlog where I go in and out of the camera. Okay. So that's the way it's gonna go. Put this up here. Turn that up. So we can get this on done so we can go talk and eat on the other side. We're gonna go talk and eat, and quite sure some news topics there. My hair not looking all that swell, but that's okay. This is the way it's gonna be today. I'm dressed to impress. I hate this fork. Gotta smash it down. Okay, y'all. Got this corn going here. And of course, y'all know it's been still crazy in this world. But we have to bear with it, you know? Bear with it. Be nice to people.
Looking high.
Huh?
Look at his eye.
That's powder or paint on his face.
No, but I'm talking about his eyeball.
You know what?
Eyes.
I'm talking to my YouTube people right now. Wait till I'm done with this, I will see what he got to do. This is up. Yeah, it's up. This is gonna be good. I love my hot sauce on mine. I have me some rice over here. I'm making some mashed potatoes for my client. Waiting on the corn. I'm gonna whip these mashed potatoes up real quick. I'm gonna have to whip it up over here because I have more room here. So, I guess we'll chat. I'd be glad when I can do some live videos, then I can be looking at the chat and talking. Flexible. Like he's from Africa, huh?
Yeah.
He's a little scary with his eyes. Well, what is going on with them eyes? Okay, y'all, we waiting. I'm waiting till these potatoes go a little bit more. I'm gonna cut this light on when I go over on the other side and eat and talk. Y'all can see me more up close when I go over on the other side and eat and talk with you guys. But I put this light on so you can kind of see more over here. So that's what we're doing right now for my cooking vlog. It'll get better. But right now, this is what it do. Okay, let me get the milk. Just a minute. We'll use some almond milk. Yeah, he's from Africa. You can tell by the accent. Look at his eyes.
I know.
They look so scary. OMG. OMG. But you can't judge him. That's his style. That's his style. He's doing his show. But them eyes look scary.
It's not just the talent, it's the determination and the character, charisma, all those things to make it really good myself.
Don't drop potatoes.
Great example of what we
I don't want you to drop out potatoes. Potatoes. So what I do, this is potatoes, and I smash them. Smash them up. Real quick, nice cheat meal, might as well say. Something you make up, homemade, nice meal. Yep, that's what this is. Something made up off of my mind. This is what we having today. Okay, they have smashed enough. Have to make sure it's all smashed. Okay, now seasonings, my regular seasonings, garlic salt. This is what I'm starting with. Garlic salt, a dash, rosemary leaves, all the nice herbs. It's very good for you. Basil leaves, potatoes, and lemon pepper. Yeah. Nice seasonings, really good. Okay. Now, yes, that's good. And now I have to put my butter inside the mashed potatoes. See, I already prepared all of these things and cooked it. I'm just doing these few things and talk with you guys. That's how I'm doing it.
Just talking with the vets going into the game. Coach Daly did a great job motivating us before the game.
Butter.
He was showing us
Nice big thing of butter, y'all.
the vets.
That's good. So now I'm gonna put the almond milk, not a lot, just a little bit, just to kind of whip it up. You don't want it to be too much because then it'll be watered down mashed potatoes. See how I do that? Just a little drops to get it going. So I'm gonna stir it up to see if I need any more milk. And what I do I smash it more with the spoon. And put the butter in.
Who is your mother's football team?
I don't know who playing it. She like Green Bay.
Well, the Lightning was playing the Rams.
You gotta really smash this, y'all. So that way it can be mashed potato. Stir this up. And I don't think I'm gonna need any more milk because I don't want it to be watered down. A little water to it too. Put it back on the fire. That by putting them on the fire to kind of get them thick and more mashed. So this is real potatoes, no box. So you gotta work it. You gotta work with it. And then once the fire go on it more, and you keep smashing, they form as mashed potatoes.
Yes, it have. I ran for office so that I can fix this city. You tell me what you need. Whatever the blowback. We'll do this together.
Gotta kind of still cook through so it can mash more, y'all. You gotta work with these real potatoes. I'm telling you. They don't just, you gotta work it. Work it, work it. I think I put a little bit too much herbs in it, but that's okay.
And he was back on the beam, only walked one. Bottom of the fourth inning in San Diego now, 3-2 Giants. Ball 2.
I feel like someone got on my face. Oh, excuse me. Like someone got on my face. Okay, almost getting there. Almost mad. You gotta really make sure they are mashed. The more they cook, the more they mash. You guys, so this is how. This might as well say this is like some herbal.
You found it. This is where you realize that
Like
you
some
are not
herbal
This is where you get to hit the reset button.
Okay.
This is where you find healthy ways to care for yourself. This is where you learn to cope and
Let's
rebuild
take
your
this off so I
self-worth.
can show y'all
When you get treatment
what we
that's
having.
backed by science, this is where you end
Yeah,
your
real
dependence
quick.
on drugs and alcohol. You are not your addiction. Reimagine recovery. Cliffside Malibu. Call now or visit us at cliffsidemalibu.com.
Okay. Oh, I got 19. I got a lot here. Okay. Roller coaster. I don't know how you turn this around. Ooh. How do you turn this around? Well, I'm not gonna waste no more time. I'm already 20 minutes in. I'm gonna just turn it around like this so y'all can see. There's the corn. And that's my rice, because I'm having rice. Mashed potatoes, that's how they came out. That's how the mashed potatoes came out. And this is the meat. My gravy got kind of dark there, but that's the little beef patties, corn. Mmm. So, I'm gonna see y'all on the other side. That's a little roller coaster there, y'all. See y'all on the other side. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell button so that way you'll always know when I have a video uploaded. Until we meet again, see you on the other side. God bless.